Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, bringing you another Cybertruck build. And today we're going to do it a little different. Normally we show you the finished truck, but I wanted to bring you behind the scenes and show you a TMaxx white PPF installation mid-process. Couple things I want to point out. People ask, what do we do when we prep the trucks? Well, first of all, we take off all the cladding. Then we take the DRL out of the hood. It allows us to wrap those properly. The entire truck is washed with a special stripping wash where it pulls off any kind of polish, wax, anything like that, bird droppings and things. And then we clay bar the entire truck. Clay bar is a micro polishing process. It cleans the surface without being abrasive, but we can get it down to stainless steel in its best format, ready for PPF or wrap to be attached. Now, this truck, we embossed the Foundation Series decals, and we can do, all sorts of things there, from custom graphics to putting the decal on top or underneath. If you want a little subtle look like this, I kind of love the embossed look. It's subtle, it's under the film. It's never really a risk for those letters now to come off, where when you put it over the film, if you got real aggressive washing it, you'd have to be careful with the little letters. This thing looks really cool. You can see, we roll all the edges on PPF and wrap installation. On our DIY kits, we offer it both ways. You can get it with edge to edge, where the film is cut right on the edge of the panels. That's the easiest installation. Or you can do it like we do with a pro installation and you wrap the edges. Now, all of our vinyl kits have rolled edges. On the PPF, it's up to you. Go edge to edge or roll them. This thing looks amazing. We've got a lot of Cybertrucks in process here, but this white, this TMaxx gloss white PPF really makes a statement. It's a clean looking truck. I'd love to hear your comments below. What do you guys think of this? Now, this is almost done. We'll get it back together, get some photos, put it up on the website. Okay, everybody, wanted to show you a little behind the scenes look here. Hope you like that. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think. And if you like this video, check like and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.